and welcome. This is Melissa Armo with the Stock Swoosh, and it is almost Black Friday. It is actually 9 days from Thanksgiving and 10 days from Black Friday, and I am launching the Black Friday deals now today officially. If you want to sign up, you can sign up today and start trading with me even before Thanksgiving. So let's get into it. Again, this is me. For those of you that don't know me, I started trading, 2008. Long time ago, and I trade only gaps, which we're going to talk about here in a little bit. If you'd like to sign up, you can email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. You can call me at 929-3200-GAP. You can follow me on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or Skype. So here we are. It's a month and a half away from 2025. It's really been a very good year. I'm already thinking about 2025. I'm already thinking about next year. I'm sure a lot of people are, after the election, seeing how the market is reacting. And it's a good time right now to reevaluate where you've been for 2024, especially with your trading. Are you doing well this year? Could you have done better? And maybe you're not doing good this year trading. Maybe you're losing. And you have to say, well, it's time to do something different. Don't wait until January. A lot of people do New Year's resolutions. I'm more a goal-oriented person than a resolution type of person. Again, it's good to reshape what you're doing and start to think about it and make the necessary changes right now. You know, it's never too early to ramp up and get ready for the new year. So one of the things that I do, for those of you that don't know, is I trade options, okay? And if you decide to trade options with me, you would sign up for the options newsletter. And I'll talk about that Black Friday sale in a minute, but you would get the trade, comes to you live, real live time. You get the trade and you take it when you get it. Now, this trade was sent before the open. It was the IBM 210 puts that expired last week. You would take it then into the open. Okay, so you don't trade options in the pre-market, but you would take it after 9:30. So let's look what happened. We did the 210s. Here it was, the 12. It was a nice call. So again, you could have held this actually all the way down the last day. I didn't. I got out of it the 14th. But actually, you could have made more. If you held it the last day, it actually broke 205. This was a good trade here, though. Again, this is the 14th, 13th, 12th. Here's where I called it. Again, snug as a bug. For those of you that don't know what I do, I trade gaps. And that's what you'll learn in the class. Stock closed here, gap down, and then called the put. Okay? So it costs $1. Really nice trade. Sold it at $3.50. Again, you could have held it and made more. I'm sure it was worth 4, close to 5 on the last day. And again, it was, well, no, it would have been 5 plus because it was more than $5 in the money, actually, the last day. So again, this was a short. A put is a short. And the profit of this was 250% return investment, or $22,500 with a risk of $9,000. What if you took one contract and you spent just, one? Or even if you did 10, okay, spent $900, let's say. Say you bought 10, spent $900, you still could have made 250%. So it's not about, just go back here, it's really not even about the size. It's about taking what you have, small, medium, large, 1 contract, 5 contracts, 10 even, and maximizing the amount of money that you can risk, that you can afford, to get the most bang out of your buck. And again, this is a fast trade. This is a quick trade. It happened in less than a week. So this is the type of trades that you will get from me. Again, we do calls and puts, but this was something that worked very quickly, and we could have even done it out for longer, in which case I probably would have held it till a Friday, but it was a nice exit on the Thursday. It's ultimately all about making money. Again, whether you day trade or do options, it's about the idea of taking the amount of money you have, like I said, and turning it over as many times as possible. So it's active trading, it's momentum trading. And this, again, is what you're going to learn from me in the class. A lot of people are all over the place trying to decide what strategy to learn, who to learn from, what classes to do, what subscriptions to sign up for. I think it really comes down to the fact, how much time you want to spend trading and who do you believe? I think a lot of people actually know that I know what I'm talking about and know what I'm doing. But I think a lot of people, as they're going through and trading for years and not doing well, start to lose confidence in themselves. if you're following someone that knows what they're doing, which I do, and you're following them exactly to the letter, then you will build the confidence yourself by having multiple wins in a row. Green, 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 green. There's nothing that's going to help your confidence rather than winning. So again, your confidence will improve if you're winning. I mean, again, it's very hard to explain this to people, but when you're losing, your confidence is in the toilet. When you're winning, your confidence is up. If you don't learn how to trade, and if you don't learn a good strategy, you're not going to win. And therefore, your confidence is not going to move up. Learning helps too, because you understand what's going on. So, when you're looking at trades like this IBM, I mean, I could have given a million examples even in the last 2-3 days here. But the fact is that it's not even about the small picture. It's about the big picture that you can learn a system you can use for the rest of your life. And you've got to remember your long-term goals. You have to think about that. So many traders get caught up in the past, and they're not in the present moment, and they're not even thinking about the future, which you should be planning and thinking about the future. So if you want to learn my system, it's called the Golden Gap System. It's a 26-point professional bearish gap rating system. The purpose of the system is to help you evaluate which gap to trade each morning using a checklist. This checklist tells you what to trade, when, and in what direction. The 26-point checklist predicts directional bias in a stock chart. So again, my process is I get up in the morning and I rate the gap. This is what you're going to learn in the class. You're going to learn in the class in December, if you sign up for the course, how to rate the gap using a 26-point checklist. And then you go through and you make a determination what to trade, for example, like the IBM. So again, my main class is called the Golden Gap course. And the last class for this year, this calendar year, the last Golden Gap course is December 7th and 8th. It's coming up in less than 3 weeks. It's 9 to 5, Saturday and Sunday. It's a class on how to find, pick, and play professional bearish gaps. Class tuition is $69.99. Everyone pays the same. And the class is online. If you want to sign up, you must email me to register. Now, I'm offering a special. This is a bundle. This gets you 3 classes, all right? You do the Golden Gap, the Trends, and the Options course. All of these classes are online. Price for the bundle is $89.99, and that's a huge savings. However, I'm doing a Black Friday special. Now, again, if you want to start trading this week, you would sign up and start trading prior to the classes. I'm fine with people doing that as long as they follow in the room and they take small size. Investing in yourself, particularly this time of the year, it's a good time to look at things that you need for yourself to get on sale, or things, again, to improve your life. And education really is one of those things. It's a gift to yourself. You want to focus on yourself, and you want to be at a better place financially 12 months from now, Black Friday 2025, versus now. Like, what can you do right now? What things can you do in your life right now to get ahead and be somewhere different in a better place 12 months from now financially? And that's what you need to start thinking about. And the newsletter subscription, if you want to sign up for this, is normally $69.99 a year just for the options, $49.99 for 6 months for the letter. Again, I'm doing a few Black Friday sales, so let's go over it. That was last Thanksgiving, actually. That was Macy's Parade. It's in 9 days. Can't wait. So the bundle, I normally charge $89.99. The Black Friday sale price is $1,000 off, $79.99, which is a great deal. You get 3 classes and 3 subscriptions for one price. You will get the Golden Gap course. You will get the Gap Options course and the Trends course, and you do everything in 1 week in December. Again, the dates were on the previous slide. And then you will get the Options newsletter subscription, Market Report subscription, and Trading Room free with this Black Friday bundle till the end of 2025. It's a great offer. And you save $1,000 just in the normal bundle. You get 3 subscriptions free, and you save it on the classes, and you learn it all. And then you're ready to go by January 1. Again, classes are online. Black Friday sales end November 30th. That's it. Saturday, it's the day after Black Friday. But again, if you want to start trading now, you can. So this is all the classes. This is the dates. You have to check your schedule. Make sure you can do them. Again, Black Friday sales price, $79.99. Then if you just want to do options, you can do the options. Save $1,000, normally $69.99 for 1 year, $59.99, and you get till the end of 2025, you get extra bonus time on the letter. Again, sign up now. You can start trading now. You will also get the Gap Options course free and the Trends course free. Again, this ends November 30th too. So these are 2 great big Black Friday packages if you're interested. If you want to change the direction of your trading and you want to start to work for yourself and you want to start to do it and really learn how, you can join and you can start trading with us now. You can trade from home. It's one of the benefits, or from an office or wherever you are. And don't forget what I said. Education is really a gift to yourself. You're investing in yourself, not just for right now, but for the future. And when I do a package like this, it is for the support of helping people learn how to trade and do it and get somewhere. Because again, you're getting more than a year's worth of trades, all my options, a day trades till the end of 2025. And even if you want to stay in the newsletter and stay in the room, you wouldn't even have to pay anything until January 2026. So again, this is just a huge, huge, huge offer. And then you get all the classes. And I will say that following somebody and listening to me, like for example in the room, following the trades makes it a heck of a lot less stressful than having to do it on your own. You get the support system of the room. You can ask me questions live in the room. And that is so invaluable. Again, I teach the classes live. You must be there live. Classes online. I run the room live. I'm doing it with you. I'm calling the exact entries, the stops, the exits, and you do it. And you do it. And I'm there for you to ask questions every day and participate. And again, you're getting all the classes as well. If you're interested in more information, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com or go to the website www.thestockswoosh.com. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Don't miss out on the Black Friday deals.